Guys, nandito na kami sa Boston Logan International Airport. Pupunta na kami sa Uber namin. Kaya hindi na kami nag-vlog kasi hinabol namin yung from Toronto going dito.
Yeah.
Dahil 30 minutes na lang boarding na. Okay pa rin, safe pa rin yung flight namin. Yun nga lang is naiwan yung baggage namin sa Toronto.
So as you can see, maliit lang yung room namin. Pagpasok mo sa door is bed na siya agad. And then we have a little sink here. If you ask saan yung bathroom, it's actually in the common area. So as in bedroom lang talaga siya. This is the first time that we booked something like this out of all our trips. It's because napakamahal ng accommodation nila dito sa Boston. Merong pasok sa budget namin but sobrang malayo na siya sa downtown. But since we're out of all day, most of the time, we've thought na as long as malinis and okay naman yung facility, okay lang sa amin. Yeah, it's very unique, but so far we're loving it. We'll let you guys see it later. So you also get a bag for your toiletries kasi nga, diba, common area yung bathroom. So you have a bag you can bring to the washroom, bathroom. So we have toiletries here, towels, slippers, and a robe. And I guess they give out free small lotion and a soap na I don't think na we'll be using because we have our own, but it's nice to have. So, yeah, kasama yan. TV there, and this is our bed. As in literal na just a bed, and then at least my little sink and a little study corner here. This is the door and a mirror.
Day 1 in Boston. Gising lang na. Nag-nap lang kami for 2 hours.
Yeah.
So, hindi na kami nakapag-video kanina from Charlottetown to Toronto. Medyo tight talaga yung ano namin.
Super tight.
Yung schedule namin. Yung na-delay kasi yung flight namin from Charlottetown to Toronto. About 20 minutes. Tapos nag-arrive na kami sa Toronto airport. 40 minutes na lang yung kailangan namin. Customs.
Yeah.
Tapos, buti na lang yung baggage namin kasi diretso sa Boston.
Oo.
Pero, we're so blessed na hindi kami pinabayaan ni Lord sa biyahe na to. Na sakto lang talaga
As
yung...
in, boarding na nung pagdating namin sa gate.
Sakto lang yung pagkapunta namin dun sa gate na yun. And, ang layo rin kasi from dun sa sa gate na nilabasan namin dun sa
dun
Toronto
sa gate.
Nag-walk kami ng 20 minutes.
Oo, walayo talaga. Nakabahan ako. Akala ko maiwan na kami or sa next flight na kami. Pero, nakasakay kami. Pero, yung luggage namin ang naiwan.
Yeah. Yun lang, naiwan yung luggage namin. Pero, nireport na namin siya. Tapos nakatanggap na rin kami ng email this afternoon na nasa kanila na yung baggage na pick up na nila by 4. Tapos madi-deliver na dun sa hotel namin by 10 o'clock. So, yeah, una kinakabahan kami pero at least na naging panatag na nung na-receive na namin yung email.
So now, walking lang. Mas inuna naming matulog kasi
Yeah.
we've been up since 2 a.m. So now, we need food, guys.
So guys, we're here in Prudential Center. And ito yung mall dito sa downtown.
Yeah, I think one of their biggest mall.
So, ngayon lang ulit kami nakapunta sa malaking mall. To be honest.
Legit na mall.
Oo, kasi sa buong trip namin, international, hindi naman kami talaga nag-mall.
Yeah.
So, ito yung time na, saka na-realize ko rin, namin pala, na hindi kami nagmamadali sa biyahe ngayon. So, hawak namin yung oras kasi meron kaming talagang nilaan na oras or
Chill lang.
one day na para mag-chill lang, hindi kami magmamadali.
For real. Para ma-enjoy namin.
Yeah.
So, now, hinahanap lang namin yung Italy.
Yeah, Italy. So it's Italian, Italian. Hindi siya Italian restaurant, no? Pero
It's
marami
like a
siyang
food court for, I don't know. We'll
Italian
see,
food.
guys.
So yeah, papakita namin sa inyo mamaya.
Guys, we
Quick.
finally found Italy.
Sa wakas. Guys, so we decided na dito na muna mag late lunch La Paz, La Pizza and La Pasta Italian restaurant. Kaya madami siyang variety of foods. Kaso nga lang, yung iba kasi hindi ko siya maintindihan kahit nag-work ako sa Italian restaurant.
To be safe.
Yeah, just to be safe, yung ano lang yung familiar na food. Yun lang yung in-order ko. So, ang kinuha ko is lasagna kasi alam ko masarap yun. Then, ating ma-order.
Oh, it's so hard to pronounce. I don't know, but it's pizza. I'll show you guys later.
Okay, what did you buy?
I got Cherry Swan. It lights up.
Okay.
Chocolate frog. And then jellies.
Okay.
I also got something. Oh, a pin. Let's go.
Okay, our next stop is Uniqlo.
Let's go inside. Hello! So,
Done.
galing kami sa Uniqlo. We bought. Tanan. Nakaano na ako.
Nagbumili siya ng beanie.
Beanie.
And then gloves.
We both got gloves.
Yeah.
It has heat tech, so very warm.
Yeah. Right ngayon, hawak ko yung camera, hindi lumalamig agad
Yeah.
yung kamay ko.
May dalawang stop pa kami. And then we're going to Boston Public Library. I'll fill up just black, okay?
Punta na kami sa Nuts Factory. Tingin kami ng Dubai Chocolates. Let's go!
What?
Good.
Our next stop is Boston Public Library.
Tara.
Pupunta kami sa public library. Dito kami sa downtown Boston. Ganda dito.
And
So, ganda dito.
breathtaking, like I swear.
First time namin makapasok sa ganitong library, guys. Hi guys, nandito kami sa Brownstone. And unfortunately, sa mga pinuntahan naming sports bar, ano na siya, fully booked na. And then yung iba, hindi nagpapalabas ng NBA. More on NHL sila dito. So, yeah, we decided na dito na lang. Good thing na 7 minutes away lang siya sa hotel namin. And medyo masakit na rin yung paa na, especially si Fatima. So, kailangan na namin muna mag-rest din dito. And yan, dito na kami magdi-dinner. Plus, dito na rin ako mag-iinom din. Titingnan ko yung mga draft beers nila. Anyway, we are enjoying naman. Nag-light snow kanina. Pero sobrang lakas ng hangin, tatangayin ka talaga. So, sinisipon na rin kami. Buti na lang nakita ni Fatima itong lugar na to. Kasi yung pinuntahan namin katabi nito, which is full pack talaga sila. Cheers! So I got the double burger with Caesar salad, and Fatima got the single burger with fries. So guys, dito na matatapos yung gabi namin. Pabalik na kami sa hotel. And 5% na lang yung battery ng camera. So, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Good morning! It's our day 2 in Boston. So, today, pupunta kami dun sa restaurant kung saan kami mag-breakfast sa Friendly Toast, which is 7 minutes away from our hotel. Medyo malamig siya ngayon kasi it's -13.
Yeah, super. It looks very sunny. Sunny naman talaga, pero ang lamig niya
Yeah.
sobra.
Malamig siya. Pero buti na lang, yung nabili namin kagabi na gloves, itong nabili ng Beanie rin, is nakakatulong kasi may heat tech.
Sobrang, kita niyo ba yun?
Yeah, so ngayon kahit confident na akong ilabas yung camera na naka-gloves kasi hindi siya pupasok sa loob. So maganda yung quality nung nabili namin sa Uniqlo. Yeah.
Feels like 17 man.
Yeah, so
Sobrang
malamig
pa.
talaga siya.
Throughout the day, pababa naman siya, but still -5. Parang ganun. Malamig pa din.
Kasi umaga pa lang naman din and it's 8:45. Medyo busy yung town ngayon no?
Kasi working day eh. Sa Friday.
Yeah. So, papunta na kami sa bus station and bibili rin kami ng Charlie card para yun na yung gagamitin namin pag maggagamit kami or pupunta kami dun sa mga bus station. Para hindi kasi, mahal kasi yung Uber. Like, ang minimum is $40. Eh, ang Charlie card pag one way is parang mga $1 lang. So, and then yung waiting time naman is 4 minutes. Dito na kami sa station. Nag-purchase kami ng commuter trail. It's cost us $4.28 for both of us. Ito, pupunta na siya ng
South Station.
pupunta kami sa Boston Tea Party.
Yeah, so the trail or the train arrives in 5 minutes.
Kasi una, ang akala namin bus yung sasakyan namin.
Yeah, we're so confused, man.
So dapat kami self-serve na bibili ng ticket pero kasi hindi namin alam kung anong track, ganyan.
Tapos ang daming option. Pwede ka mag-bus, pwede ka mag-train, pwede ka
Yeah.
mag-trail. So, okay. So, na lang kami. Pumunta kami sa counter. We got our commuter trail tickets.
For one way lang naman yung binayaran namin. And dito namin sa South Station. Ito pala yung pinaka-last station para dito sa railway na to. Sinusundan lang namin yung mga tao.
Yeah. Hindi naman alam saan yung exit. Sunod lang sa
But
mga-
from here, going to the Boston Tea Party, 7 minutes walk.
We made it here! Didn't get lost! So that one, guys, that's the Boston Tea Party Museum. I think it's $35 per person. We will learn something about history today. Are you excited?
100%.
Yes, very exciting.
You can tap it?
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good one.
So cool, you guys. Entrance pala.
Thank you.
Welcome inside, friends.
Dito na kami sa loob, so magkakaroon ng little play mamaya kung paano nag-start yung revolution dito sa amin. So may onting script silang ibibigay dun sa mga tao. So mamaya i-reenact namin kung paano nag-start yung American Revolution against the Redcoats or British.
Exciting for sure.
Yeah, exciting kasi first time namin sa trip na sumali sa mga ganito.
Yeah, mga history. But Boston is really full of history.
Have you two travelled from?
Canada, Prince Edward Island.
Out west or is that east?
East side.
It's
Yeah.
part of the Atlantic Canada.
Oh,
So weather is very similar.
very similar.
Yeah,
Oh,
back
nice.
home right now it's -30. We should have went to a warmer place. But we're not regretting at all. Yes.
Well, good. I'm glad you're here.
Yeah.
As I've been telling everyone, we need all the help we can get tonight.
Oh, of
Are you
course.
feeling angry about the tea?
Yes.
Oh, we need that energy.
Yeah.
That's very good, Patriots. All right. So let's see. Mr. Fulton, a man who knows that actions speak louder. No, that's not it. You do know that actions speak louder than words, but I
Yeah.
also would love for you to say hello to your wife Sarah for me. Lovely lady.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. And Mr. George T. Hughes, a fine shoemaker here in Boston town.
Okay.
I have worked as a distillery as a bookkeeper.
He's a shoemaker.
Uh-huh.
Is now in order. My name is Mrs. Abigail May, but you're more likely to
Bingham, merchants, you did band together. You signed non-in... Vikings brewer. Heard that your house needed unloaded as the law demands. And what say you all to this?
So, we're gonna throw some tea bags to the salt water.
Including Governor Hutchinson. He is hesitant to order the military to have plans here tonight.
Oh.
Hi, so tapos na kami dun sa Boston Tea Party. Ang dami na namin natutunan about American history, especially dito pala nag-start yung American Revolution. And now, papunta na kami sa,
Faneuil Hall.
doon na kami magla-lunch.
Maraming nagbebenta ng food.
Mhm.
Sa 15-minute walk from here. So, let's go! Faneuil Hall.
So, maghintay lang kami ng Uber dito. Nasa kami dito sa mga establishment dito na malapit lang doon sa Boston Tea Party. Medyo malamig din kasi sa labas. Dito muna kami magre-rest din kasi kanina pa kami nakatayo. And nag-save din kami ng energy kasi marami pa kami pupuntahan mamaya.
Ang bayad for lift is $7 US.
Alright, nandito na kami. Mabilis lang yung biyahe namin, walang traffic.
Yeah, about 5 minutes I think. Nilakad natin 15 minutes. So,
Kapag conserve din kami ng energy.
yeah, we're saving it for later.
Enjoy namin tong araw na to. So, nakapila kami dito sa may Chenlai. This is a Chinese food chain. So, dito order si Patty mo ng kanyang food. Ako doon ako mamaya sa tabi niya yung main lobster.
Yeah.
Doon ako order ng lobster roll and yung chowder.
So I got rice, this is chicken barbecue, and shrimps with veggies.
Looks so good.
I got the lobster roll and a clam chowder. So medyo maraming tao today. Buti na lang nakahanap kami ng table dito. Kasi most likely kasi yung mangyayari sa amin is nakatayo. Pero buti na lang nakita namin may umalis na kanina. So, kain na kami.
I like mine as well. It feels like it's home cooked. And Chinese food is one of my favorites. So whenever I see one, it's hard not to get Chinese food.
Oyster cracker.
Okay.
I got some oyster cracker. Tapos ito yung clam chowder. Not bad na rin. For 42 bucks, meron ka ng dalawang pagkain. Which is clam chowder and big lobster.
Mine cost me, how much is it? 20? So 20 for 2 viand and a lot of fries.
Hey guys, we're here at Boston Common Ground, I think. Nag-lift kami from Faneuil Hall to here. Because if lalakarin namin, it would take 15 minutes. Another 15 minutes
Ang
still.
daming squirrels, oh.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's really nice here. I think it's nicer during fall. Diba?
So, nandito kami ngayon kung saan naka-erect yung Christmas tree galing sa Nova Scotia.
Found it!
So, binibigay ng Nova Scotia sa Boston yung Christmas tree every year.
Every year.
Yeah, just to give thanks and yung friendship nila during nung Halifax explosion. So
Yes.
marami kasing mga Bostonian na pumunta, mga doctors, kung di ako nagkakamali, pumunta sa Halifax para tulungan yung mga na-injured.
And this tree is from Lunenburg. And we've been there before. We're not from Nova Scotia, but it feels just very close to our hearts. So now we're going to Public Gardens, which is just across of Boston Commons. So kasama talaga sa itinerary namin hanapin si newspaper guy. Which is hindi naman kami nahirapan like pagpasok sa Public Gardens. Andun na siya agad. And it depends on how much you give him kasi tips lang naman and then you get 2 copies. Well, I'm not sure how many copies but he gave us 2. And then this is another one we're looking for, the ducks.
Pumunta na kami dun sa Acorn Street. Maganda kasi siya. Maganda yung mag-picture dun. Napaka-aesthetic.
It's a famous alley if you
Yeah.
go here to Boston. So,
Ang best time do para mag-picture dun is fall. Yeah, fall. Pero tingnan natin kasi hindi pa naman nag-i-snow dito sa Boston. So, we found it. Acorn Street.
here at Acorn Street.
Yeah, luckily, wala ng tao. Kanina meron. Pero
Crowded, yeah.
at least solo na namin to doon.
Yeah, and nakuha naman kami ng maayos
Decent.
na picture.
Yeah, decent photos. So, yeah.
Let's go! So we're back at our hotel, guys. Papahinga lang kami because we need energy for tonight's game.
Ngayon ay nasa labas na kami. Nakatulog kami for an hour. And ngayon, papunta na kami sa TD Garden para manood ng NBA. Yung game today is between Lakers and Boston. So, unfortunately, hindi pa rin maglalaro si Luka. And nalaman lang din namin recently na hindi maglalaro si LeBron dahil nasa list siya ng injury. Pero okay lang kasi magiging exciting pa rin yung game kasi rivalry to.
It's true. So now we're just walking to Back Bay Station. Kung saan kami sumakay kanina. We're just taking the train again, going to TD Garden because we
Yes.
don't want to spend money again for
Uber or
Uber
Lyft.
or Lyft. So convenient naman yung train. We just have to walk 10 minutes going there. So not bad.
We survive.
Ala, ang lakas ng loob mag-Lakers sa Celtics home court. Yeah. Alright guys, we're in.
Yes.
Hahanap muna kami ng
Kakainan.
yeah.
Para mamaya hindi na kami gusto. Dire-diretso na ng game.
Wow, look at the phone. That's so James Bond. And there's your numbers right there.
Okay.
It'll be on the Jumbotron. You have 30
Jumbotron?
days
Yeah.
to collect it.
Okay.
And it'll also be online after the game.
Okay, perfect.
Good
Thank
luck,
you.
guys.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's very small. So, yeah.
Man, you guys are tips.
Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
From Colorado, number 9,
So, ayun na nga.
Katalo.
Uwi tayo lumaan.
Talo yung manok.
Oo nga. Manok mo, naka-Celtics ako na hoodie.
Yeah, it's
Na may pagsapalaran kami.
sa train. Yeah, pauwi na kami guys. So, it's our day 3.
Another day of exploring here in Boston. It's +1 today, guys. It's still cold, but not as cold as yesterday. So we're on our way to, I'm not sure if it's Tate or Tate, but it's a nice breakfast spot. It's quite famous here in Boston. Marami silang branches all over Boston, and this one's the closest to us, to my Back Bay section. So I'm excited to grab some breakfast there.
Dito na kami ngayon sa Tate Cafe. And ngayon, sobrang busy nung lugar na to dahil Saturday plus maraming tao na galing sa run kasi dito sila dumidiretso for breakfast. Luckily, nung dumating kami dito, may open na seats. And then wala ditong reservation, like first come, first serve. Tapos marami silang variety ng business dito and kilala sila sa mga like yung croissant, and then yung breakfast. Umorder din ako ng croissant na pistachio sa loob. Yung price naman dito is affordable. And,
You spend about $30 USD.
Kasama na yung breakfast niya. And yung 2 coffees namin. And then yung croissant. So, nandito na kami sa tamang train station. Buti na lang talaga yung kanina si Yolande, tinulungan kami ng isa sa mga staff.
Yeah.
So, sinundan niya kami sa baba kasi alam niya na mali yung namin, yung direction namin.
Kaya hinatid niya kami sa tamang train. Tapos kasi connecting. So, bababa kami kasi may other train. Kanina na sa kabilang side kami. So, other direction pala yun. So, sa next station, bumaba kami. Tapos
Nag-cross lang kami.
Para papunta doon. Not papunta.
Yeah. So, today kasi pupunta kami sa Harvard.
Yeah.
And ito yung way papunta doon. So, maganda talaga yung bus system nila. Kailangan mo lang talaga aralin kung saan ka bababa, saan yung connecting mo.
Mag-e-enroll na siya sa Harvard.
Actually, kami na mag-enroll ako dito sa Harvard. Yung magkano baon ko?
20 pa din, di ba?
20 lang. Kaya mag-enroll ako ng law.
Low.
So, nandito na kami sa loob ng Harvard campus.
Campus. Yeah.
Na mag-enroll na ako sa admission. Hatid lang ako ni Fatima.
Mag-aral ka mabuti kasi para sa future natin to.
Oo.
Huwag ka magbulakbol dito, kilala kita.
Pero may project kami, $100.
Project kaya yun. Mga project inuman dun sa may kanto, nakita ko.
Ang ganda dito.
Guys, behind me is Harvard Business Campus.
Kapag ka-picture na kami dun sa statue ni Mr. John Harvard.
Oo. Nalaman namin classmate sila ni Enrile.
Joke lang yun.
I was joking. Anak, tayo ka dun, anak. What's up guys? Labas lang namin sa Harvard Art Museum. I think we spent an hour there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now we're walking to Dumpling House. Doon kami magla-lunch. Pagod kami mag-aral today.
Yeah, actually lumabas lang kami. Kasi namin recess. Sa Mampal, sarado yung registrar. So hindi ako nakapag-enroll.
Sayang.
Sayang. Kukuha pa naman sana ako ng architecture.
Akala ko law.
Hindi, puno na eh. Puno na daw yung slot eh.
puno na daw?
Oo.
Sayang.
Dito kami sa Dumpling House ngayon. Dito namin napag-decide na kumain dahil search namin siya sa internet. Maganda yung reviews niya. And malapit lang din siya sa Harvard University. Hindi na namin kailangan ng reservation. Nag-walking lang kami. Maganda yung naupuan din namin dito. Malapit lang sa window. How was it?
Good. Very warm. Perfect for this weather.
Dito kami sa bus stop ngayon.
Yes.
Tapos na kami late lunch and sobrang busog talaga. Kailangan namin ng 5,000 steps para matunaw ulit. So,
Yeah.
sulit naman kasi yung kinain namin is less than $90.
Yeah. We actually paid a good price for what we ordered.
Kasi ang dami pa namin
May
in-order.
take-out pa kami.
Yeah, ito siya. Take-out box pa kami.
Yeah.
May papuntang Fenway.
Yes.
Doon namin makikita yung stadium ng Boston Red Sox.
Yeah.
So, lang namin dito sa Fenway Station. Kakabalik lang namin ng Boston galing sa Cambridge. Pupunta na kami sa Boston Red Sox Stadium. So, nandito na kami sa Fenway Street and ikutin lang namin yung stadium. So, pupunta na kami dun sa Matcha Cafe, which is 8 minutes lang from here. So, medyo ano yung lugar na to, puro party-party.
Yeah. Very loud right now.
Loud. Safe naman din yung lugar na to. Yun nga lang kasi maraming mga bar. So parang maingay talaga. Which is tama si Bobby, loud. So I ordered a matcha latte with strawberry flow, which is really good. Alright, tapos na kami mag-chillax dun sa Matcha Cafe. And pauwi na kami papunta sa hotel. And magte-take lang kami ng bus. This, medyo nagagamay na namin yung commuting system dito sa Boston.
Pwede ka na talaga mag-aral dito.
Yeah. Pero tayo ko sa Monday mag-enroll. Kami na lang yung pasahero niya. Papalipatin na kami dito sa kabilang bus. Para sa Pilipinas, papalipatin sa kabilang bus. Hi! So, nandito na kami sa hotel ngayon. And medyo pagod kami. Naka 15,000 steps din kami ngayong araw na to. So, magpapahinga na kami. Dahil marami pa rin kaming gagawin bukas. At mas mahabang lakad. So, see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Good morning! Day 4 in Boston!
We're on our way to Dunkin' to grab some breakfast before we start our adventure.
Puro walk kami today. I guess mabibit namin yung first day namin, which is 20,000.
I don't want to do that.
I'll show you the rest of the downtown here in Boston. Ito na kami sa Dunkin', guys. Akala namin nasa loob to ng hospital. Buti na lang nag-cross kami dun sa street na to. Then nakita namin to, yung Dunkin' nasa kabilang side lang pala.
Got hash brown and bacon egg bagel.
Naging choice din namin yung Dunkin' Donut kasi wala kaming Dunkin' Donut sa PEI.
Yeah.
And actually sa Canada, kaya nung pagdating namin dito sa Boston, dun sa airport, nakita namin yung Dunkin' and ordered siya agad ng wrap. Pero yung titikman namin Boston cream is yun dun sa local store talaga dito, which is yung original talaga. Pumunta kami dito sa information center, bumili lang kami ng fridge magnet. Then mag-start na kami dun sa walking trail, courtesy of Bobby!
We didn't purchase a walking tour. I'll be the guide myself. So,
Yeah.
he will pay.
Sabi niya kanina, okay lang daw siya na walang gloves.
But I'm not wearing my gloves.
Pero, look at her now. Nag-gloves na siya, nilamig.
na.
So if you want to do the Freedom Trail, you just have to follow the red line. And it leads you to all the historical places here in Boston. So, hindi namin pupuntahan lahat kasi madami talaga. We'll just check out the places now we find very interesting. Right behind us is the Massachusetts State House, one of Boston's most iconic landmarks. That golden dome you see shining in the sun, it's real 23 karat gold.
This place has been the heart of Massachusetts government since the late 1700s, and it's still where major decisions for the state happen today. Right next to Boston Common is Park Street Church, one of the city's oldest and most photographed landmarks. It's where important speeches and historic events took place in the early 1800s.
This is the Granary Burying Ground, one of the Boston's oldest cemeteries and final resting place of American legends like Paul Revere and Samuel Adams. It's a quiet spot filled with history from the 1600s and 1700s. Right here is the Old South Meeting House, the place where thousands gathered to spark the Boston Tea Party. This was basically the hotspot for the revolutionary ideas in the 1700s.
Right in front of us is the Old State House, one of the oldest public buildings in the US. This is where the Declaration of Independence was first read to the people of Boston in 1776.
Right here is the Boston Massacre site, the spot where the tensions between the colonies and the British soldiers exploded in 1770, helping ignite the American Revolution. Right here is the statue of Samuel Adams. He is a patriot and he organized the revolution and signed the Declaration of Independence. Nag-rest muna kami dito somewhere sa downtown. Parang na-miss lang kami sa lugar kasi yung nag-Uber kasi kami, parang na-remember natin na, dumaan pala tayo sa ganito, ganyan. Pwede mo talaga siyang lakarin.
Yeah.
Lalo na kung hindi malamig dito.
Yeah.
Good time talaga na pumunta dito is summer. Para sa amin, kung hindi lang talaga malamig, hindi talaga kami magli-lift or Uber. Either mag-bus kami or mag-train. Convenient naman din kasi yung commuting system nila dito kasi lahat magkakakonekta. And ang napansin namin dito, yung mga tao is mababait sila. So, iba sila sa state na napuntahan natin. No? I can say na friendly din sila dito. Papahinga lang kami for 10 minutes and then maglalakad na kami papunta doon sa bahay ni Paul Revere.
Right here is the Paul Revere House, the oldest surviving home in downtown Boston, and the place where Paul Revere began his famous midnight ride.
Tapos na kami dito sa tour namin sa bahay ni Paul Revere. Hindi kasi pwede mag-video or mag-take ng picture sa loob. Yung nakuha lang namin is memories.
Yeah.
So maghanap na kami ng pagkakainan namin kasi malapit na mag-lunch time. With the Oreo and my chocolate. Yeah, and then the Boston cream puff.
So we got our goods. So whenever in Boston, it's a must-stop to buy here in Mike's Pastry. We got my favorite flavor, which is Oreo, and JP got the Dubai chocolate, which is a new flavor. And we also got one Boston cream pie, which is a must try here in Boston.
Ay, so tapos na kami mag-lunch. Grabe, so busog. Yung in-order ko na grilled steak sandwich with fries, sabi naubos ko yun. Nagutom talaga ako sa ano namin. tour.
Lakad. Yeah.
Pero okay lang, sulit naman lahat.
I had noodle and I think it was orange chicken and then broccoli with chicken. And then we also tasted the Mike's cannoli.
Sobrang
So
sarap yan.
good. I understand the hype now. Kaya pala sobrang pupusahan talaga siya.
Nakakain na ako ng cannoli before, pero hindi siya ganun kalaki. Iba kasi yung mga flavorings niya, actually may maraming klase, nakaka-overwhelm.
madami pa.
Pero yung pipiliin mo lang talaga yung favorite mo or yung pinaka the best nila.
So, sasakay kami ng train going to Newbury again. Just stroll around.
So waiting lang kami ng train. 3 minutes left na lang. Pupunta kami dun sa Hans Convention Center. So kami bababa.
Then we'll just walk a few minutes to Newbury Street.
Yeah, my favorite place. Favorite place for window shopping.
Shopping district.
Nagtitingin lang tayo, di ba?
Titingin lang.
Titingin lang daw kami.
Titingin lang.
Hindi ako sure. So, nandito na kami sa Newbury Street and napansin namin na sinasara pala nila to. And maraming vendor.
Yeah. Masaya.
Pupunta pa kami doon later pero please mag-ano lang kami, window shopping lang kami sa mga boutique.
Yeah. So far we went to Muji, Star Wars, Canada Goose, tapos may Uggs din sila on Cloud. Now we're going back again to Uniqlo. So we'll see if may
Makikita kaming good deals.
Kasi kanina yung sa Chan okay. Kasi inalis ko to matagal to.
From 89 USD, nag-sale sila ng 29.90.
So ayun na nga. Hindi siya nakaligtas sa Uniqlo.
Ako ng Uniqlo.
Okay.
Pero good deal siya kasi mga sale lang yung kinuha namin.
Yeah, for real. We're just gonna walk down some more and enjoy the market.
Ito kami ngayon sa Prudential Mall. Nag-stay kami for an hour kasi sakit na yung paa namin. Almost 20,000 yung matatapos namin ngayong araw. And we decided na mag-dinner dito sa Wagamama. It's a Japanese restaurant. And since di pa kami nakapag-try ng Japanese dito sa Boston,
So Kaizen means the belief that small steps make big change.
so pabalik na kami sa hotel. Mag-walk lang kami galing dun sa Prudential Mall. It's almost 20 minutes walk. And dito na namin i-end din yung vlog namin. 4 days in Boston. We'll see you guys in our next adventure. Bye. Our last day.
Hi guys.